Hello friends, welcome back to Unique English Easy Day YouTube learning channel. Today I am excited to present before you all the varieties of pronouns in a few minutes in a lucid manner. Will you please identify the nouns in these sentences? Sentence 1. Who is standing under the tree? Sentence 2. Someone is standing under the tree. Sentence 3. Raju is standing under the tree. Sentence 4. Raju himself has gone there. The answers are 1. Tree. 2. Tree. 3. Raju. 4. Raju. By studying my previous video on nouns, you can say that tree comes in the category of common noun and Raju comes in that of a proper noun. What about who in sentence 1, someone in sentence 2, there in sentence 3, which have occupied the place of nouns? These are nothing but pronouns. The words which we use to replace a noun are nothing but pronouns. Pronoun means for a noun. Identify pronouns in the following sentence. He will go. Do good. The thief stole it. Meditation tranquilizes her. Answers: he, you, it, and her. These words are used in the place of nouns, and they are not coming under any category of nouns, but they can replace nouns. They are just pronouns here. Please note, we physically don't see a pronoun in the second sentence. It is there but hidden. Only we have to understand its presence. There is one commonness in these pronouns, that is the grammatical person. These pronouns relate to one or the other grammatical person. Hence, such pronouns are called personal pronouns. What you see now on the screen is the list of complete personal pronouns. These pronouns indicate person, number, gender, and grammatical case in a given sentence. Emphatic means emphasizing. That means intensive. These are the personal pronouns that we use to show that an action is done by the subject referring back to it. Please note, the emphatic pronouns are the same as reflective pronouns in form, but their functions are different. As far as the reflexive pronouns are concerned, they are essential for sentences to become more meaningful, whereas emphatic pronouns, even if removed from sentences, meaning is not much affected. Now let us have a small exercise on this topic. Identify whether the pronouns in these sentences are reflexive or emphatic. Pause for a while before you try to answer. Check your answers after removing the pause. You are seeing now the list of complete relative pronouns. Only the first 5 we generally use in speech or writing. What do the relative pronouns do in a sentence is refer back to their antecedents. Antecedent means the noun which has come before such relative pronouns. The clauses introduced by such relative pronouns are nothing but relative clauses. We call them adjective clauses too because they give more information about nouns. Let us study an example. I have lost the book that you gave me. Here, that is a conjunction as well as a relative pronoun. Conjunction because it joins I have lost the book and you gave me. Relative pronoun because it relates to its antecedent, the book. That you gave me is an adjective clause because it describes the noun book. It has used a relative pronoun. Therefore, it is a relative clause too. Here is an exercise for you on the relative pronoun. Answer the following questions after going through the interrogative statement. Where did you buy the coat which you wore yesterday? Now, may I ask you a few questions related to this sentence? Where is the conjunction in this statement? Why is it called a relative pronoun here? Where is the relative clause here? Is the relative clause an adjective clause too? Pause for each question and ponder over them. After a few seconds, you can verify your answers. Now, let us know something about indefinite pronouns. Indefinite pronouns refer to a noun without being specific, but they refer to any person, place, or thing in a general way. Examples of indefinite pronouns are several, none, some, anybody, whomever, much, such, whatever, whichever, another, each, neither, either, other, whoever, any, etc. Let us have a small exercise in this regard. Try to select the most appropriate indefinite pronoun to fit the sentence. Question 1. Dash of the two brothers is cricket player. Options: some, neither, none. Question number 2. He can buy a car from dash car dealer. Options: some, several, any. Question number 3. Give the child dash milk as it is crying. Options: much, whatever, some. Check your answers after a small pause. Let us see the meaning of another type of pronouns. These are demonstrative pronouns. First of all, let us know what does demonstrate mean. Demonstrate means to point out or show something specific within a sentence. The demonstrative pronoun is a pronoun that points towards the noun it replaces, indicating it in time, space, and distance. It can be singular or plural. It may be a near demonstrative like this, these, or a far demonstrative like that, those. Let us see a few examples. This is very tasty. Give him that. Neither is theirs. They gave me none. These are very cold. Such are our thoughts. Those were fantastic. We have used this, that, neither, none, these, such, those in these examples. These words point out or show something specific within the sentence. Hence, they are demonstrative pronouns. Now, let us take a small exercise. Please use the most suitable demonstrative pronouns in the following statements. Please do not forget to pause for a while and check your answers. Reciprocal pronouns are the pronouns that are used to express mutuality between two or more people or between groups of people. There are only two reciprocal pronouns that are each other and one another. Each other usually refers to only two subjects or elements. For example, Sita and Geeta call each other every day. When there are more than two subjects or elements, one another is used in the place of each other. For example, the children help one another. Please complete a small exercise on reciprocal pronouns. Pause before you try to answer and later check your answers. Insert appropriate reciprocal pronoun in each sentence. There is another category of pronouns which we call dummy pronouns. Though they function grammatically as pronouns, they do not have antecedents like other pronouns do. It and there are the only two words in English that function as dummy pronouns. For example, it is time to leave now. Here, it is the subject referring to nothing in particular. It helps the sentence to function as per the grammatical context. Some more examples. Is it raining? It is her birthday celebration. It is nice to see you. There is a man in the wheelchair. There is a fence around the yard. There was a big fight. There is a wall photo in the bedroom. Take another exercise on these dummy pronouns. Please do not forget to pause before you answer. The question words who, whom, whose, which, what, whatever, whoever, whichever, and whomever are used as interrogative pronouns. The first 5 question words are primary interrogative pronouns, which are most commonly used. Examples: what is your friend's name? Whose dresses are those? Exercise on interrogative pronouns. Fill in the appropriate primary interrogative pronouns in the questions you see on the screen, making a small pause. Remove the pause and check your answers. Dear friends, today you have learned various types of pronouns in English within a few minutes. Try to use them in your speech or writing without hesitation and become a fluent English speaker and writer. See you sooner. If you enjoyed the content of this video, click the subscribe button so that you can receive more content like this every often. Thanks for watching.